In this part, we are going to talk about the tuples. The tuples is very similar to list, and the difference is mainly this use the parentheses, but this use the square bracket. And the other thing is you cannot mutate the tuples. So I will show this later. So if you execute these two lines, and then you can check the type, you can see this is list, and the others is tuples. Although they are not the same, but they have some very similar method. For example, you can extract the 2 to 4. So this is from 2, so 0, 1, 2. So this is 8 and 4. So you can extract these two elements, and you can count from the end. So you will take the number 6, and then you can also specify the specific item, which is A. We can also count the number of A, because if you take a look on the tuple 1 again, you can see there are 2 A. And we can also check the index of A, and this will only show the first one. So if you take a look at this, you will get 1, because this is 0, and then this is 1. So it will not show the 2, it will show the first one. And the other difference is you cannot append or extend, and you cannot change in the tuples, but you can change the item in the list. So if you want to, if you want your data is write protected, so and this moment you need to use the tuples. So we can go down to the list. If you remember, we have the list 1, and we can change this third item to 3. Now if you show the list 1 again, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, and then D, E, F. And we can change this to 4, because this is 0, 1, 2, 3. However, this is tuple. You cannot change this, and it will show the error. And it will show that the tuples does not support the item assignment. And if you remember, we just said you cannot append or extend, and there is also no remove element, so you cannot use pop method. So tuples do not have remove or pop. So if you remember what we have learned in the list, we can have the list1.pop, and if you show the list 1 again, you can see we remove the last item. But if you try to use the pop method at tuple, you can see we have the error. The tuple object has no attribute pop.